What if I told you that you could get hundreds of targeted leads completely free using Google and ChatGPT? Sounds insane, right? But stick with me because I'm about to show you exactly how to do it. Finding leads is hard. If you've ever struggled with finding high quality leads for your business, this method will change the game for you. And the best part is 100% free and super easy to implement. Plus, at the end of this video, I'll reveal an exclusive bonus strategy that will double the quality of your leads. So make sure you watch to the end. Stick around because I'll also share powerful insider tips that will help you avoid legal and ethical pitfalls when building leads online. This is a must know for everyone serious about growing and scaling their email list fast. Hey guys, Sam here and welcome back to Lift Ahead. On this channel, we talk about smart strategies, automation, and AI tools to help you scale your business fast. Today, I will walk you through proven methods to get hundreds of targeted leads for free using Google Search and ChatGPT. This method works for any industry, whether you're targeting surgeons, dentists, real estate agents, or even e-commerce brands. Here's exactly what we're going to cover. The exact Google Search prompts you need to find verified leads, how to extract and structure those leads using ChatGPT, the best way to organize your leads for maximum efficiency, and finally, important considerations to avoid legal and ethical issues. So if you're ready to get unlimited leads without spending a dime, let's get on my computer and see how it works. The first step to get this free unlimited leads is for us to start using Google Search like a pro by harnessing the real potential of the world's most powerful search engine. This is not like the basic search we've been doing. For example, what is the top rated movie on Netflix right now? No. But seriously, here's our powerful search prompt. Don't worry, I will add them to the description of this video so you don't miss it. Let's copy this prompt into Google Search. What this does is scan Instagram for profiles that mention surgeons and have publicly available email addresses. You can swap surgeon with any profession to target different industries, whether it's dentists or plumbers or horticulturists or IT professionals, whatever industry you are focusing on. Now, what we need to do is to go to the end here and add this test so we get 100 leads per page. Don't worry, I will also add that prompt or additional Google Search token to the video description. Scroll down to the end of this Google Search page. You see all the leads we have. So what we do, we just copy this whole screen and paste it inside a Google Doc. I will paste that without formatting and let's just rename this document as surgeons. Go back to Google again and go to the next page, page 2. Copy the whole search result for the second page. Also paste that into the Google document. Once you have enough leads in your Google Doc, open ChatGPT and enter this command. Don't worry, I'll add this prompt to the description of this video so you always have it. Here's our prompt. Then we go to our Google Doc and copy our leads and paste it into ChatGPT and let ChatGPT do its magic. Now, depending on the version of ChatGPT you're using, you just go here and download this Excel document and it saves to your computer. Go ahead and open that document so we'll look at the data. Now, this is the Excel document that has our leads. Just make that bold. If you scroll down, we have about 29 leads here. What ChatGPT has done is that it has cleaned up, structured, and organized our data into an easy-to-use table. Copy and paste the formatted data into Google Sheets for further use. We need to rinse and repeat this process for unlimited leads. You can run multiple searches for different industries: dentists, real estate agents, fitness coaches, e-commerce brands, whatever your niche you're targeting. With just a few searches, you have hundreds of quality leads ready for your email outreach. Another important prompt I need to show you guys is if you want even more leads, you can run the same Google search for Facebook or Instagram. We've already done Instagram, you can run it for Facebook or LinkedIn. So you just come to Google here and then you change this part of the search prompt to facebook.com. This is so easy. And you press enter. What it does is does the same thing for Facebook for surgeons, and you can also change it to LinkedIn, and you have LinkedIn leads here, 100 per page. If you're looking for dentists, you simply come here and change this part of the search query to dentist, and it gives you dentist details for LinkedIn. All right, guys, that was a step-by-step guide on how to get free unlimited leads using ChatGPT and Google Search. To recap, first, you need to enter the search query provided into Google Search. Secondly, extract data into Google Docs. Thirdly, use ChatGPT to process data with the prompt we provided. And all the prompts and search is provided in the description of this video. Lastly, rinse and repeat for unlimited leads. Here's a pro tip to maximize your results. Always verify your emails before sending out outreach messages. Use tools like hunter.io, never bounce, or zero bounce to filter out invalid addresses and improve your email deliverability. Hunter.io is a tool for connecting with any professional. It is your all-in-one email outreach platform. You can find and connect with the people that matter to your business. Identify relevant leads and find their contact details in seconds. Hunter uses a combination of proprietary technology and artificial intelligence to find, verify, and enrich your email contacts. Before we end this video and you go out blasting your emails to your newfound leads, there are some important considerations we need to talk about and keep in mind. Data accuracy and quality. Not all emails you get will be accurate or up to date. Always verify your emails before using it. Legal and ethics. Some platforms have strict terms of service regarding uploading emails. Ensure you comply with regulations to avoid penalties. Avoid spamming. Sending mass emails without permission can damage your reputation. Focus on personalized, value-driven outreach. You can use tools like make.com to send one email every 15 minutes, for instance. This ensures you don't get flagged as a spammer. Reliance on AI tools like ChatGPT can do a great job, but always check your data for errors. If you found this video step-by-step guide helpful, do me a quick favor. Smash that like button. Subscribe for more powerful marketing strategies and comment below letting me know what niche you'll be targeting for leads. I post new content and good hacks every week. Turn on the notification bell to stay ahead of the curve. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.